I know what it feels like to try online businesses and fail over and over. You invest your time and money hoping for a breakthrough, but instead you are left frustrated, wondering if financial freedom is even possible. For many years, I struggled, chasing different opportunities. I was feeling lost and seeing other people succeed while I stayed stuck. It was exhausting, discouraging, and honestly, I almost gave up. But then I found a community of over 49,000 people, many making six-figure income, even some reaching millionaire status. I realized that success is possible when you have the right system, the right training, and the right support. I may not be where I want to be yet, but I am on the right path. And I know it is happening for them. It can also happen to us too. We just need to take action. If you are tired of struggling alone and want a proven system to start earning daily commission of $100 to $900, I am here to guide you. I will show you the same system our community members are using, and you will get a system like this. You will learn to sell digital product. You will be able to own some product that you don't have to create, some ready-made product, and also a ready done for you a system. This is one of the entrance of the system. You can see this, the lead capture page. You will get a similar like this one, and it can help you to automate your online business. So you will have the product, and this system will be doing the telling and the selling for you. You will also get access to our community. You can see we have now grown to over 49,400 members, and you can be part of this community where you will be also learning and earning at the same time. And the community goal here is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. This could truly be something that can truly help you, and is possible. And you will also get access to all the training inside the classroom. You can see where you can have some TikTok training, how to automate your online business, how to put everything on autopilot. We also have six figure in 6 months training, a lot of more training. We have 90 days run going on all the time where you can get some guidance. It is a blessing, honestly. And so now join me as we explore some real daily earning from our community member of over 49,000. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of February 2025. And as you can see here, that was 11 hours ago. Uh, so individual results may vary, but it is possible to duplicate similar results or even greater than this. As you can see here, Elizabeth posted 11 hours ago. She was able to make 4 sales of $900 commission, and that is, and also another 4 sales of $600 product. It make a total of $6,000. In This is what she earned in her first 8 days of the 90 days run that started few days ago. You can see it is amazing. So this is something that you can also do. And you can see down here, Ricardo, that was 16 hours ago. He earned $31,000 in 2.5 months using Facebook with this system that I'm sharing with you today. Is truly a fantastic business model, and you will have everything you need. This one can truly help you. If you have failed before, this, don't worry, this can be the solution you have been looking for. And you see, imagine becoming your own boss, working less time and earning more while having the freedom to live life on your own terms. That is what I am here to help you achieve. You can uh, earn some additional commission. So even if you are working, you have a boss, that is not a problem. You can also be your own boss, and there's nothing wrong with this. Where you will be earning, we need to have some. We don't have to rely on one income. So having a few income stream is always good for anyone. So, and you can see here Barbara. 2 hours ago posted she was able to earn $900 commission. This is a notification. As you can see, as we are on the 90 days run, and she was able also to earn a commission. You see, it's amazing. And I am on a mission to empower you also to take control of your future. And as you can see, Anna, that was 1 hour ago. This is what she said, $900 earned while helping her 92 years old MIL to bed. You can see here. So it's working, and it can work for anyone who are willing to take some action. So these results are possible because of the proven system I am sharing with you today. If you are ready to take the next step, I am here to personally help and to help you get started. And if this video has been helpful to you, please give me a like, and also please subscribe to support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you would like to learn more on how you can get started, my website address is in the description box of this video. I will also drop in the comment section for you to get access. And or you can also go to the comment section below and comment blueprint, and I will send you the details as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.